you ready for our Coffee Bootcamp 2025? 5 days dedicated to varieties, processing, roasting, and cupping. Welcome to Medellin, Colombia. Let's check out some farms not close but in the city. You will harvest perfectly ripe cherries and experience how to process stunning naturals. You will learn hands-on about picking, drying, and milling. In our workshops, we will teach you to identify coffee attributes, defects, and master advanced cupping skills. Hike through farms, see variety gardens, and discover how to impact cup profiles. Understanding the effort behind every cup is truly eye-opening. And sharpen your senses. Refining olfactory skills is key to distinguish between only good beans and exceptional coffee. Let's master the art of roasting. We'll teach you how to avoid roasting defects and extract maximum flavor from every single batch. Quality isn't accidental. As a roaster, you're an architect, but the foundation of coffee flavor is built at origin. 1/3 terroir, 1/3 variety, 1/3 processing. To enjoy coffee in 2050, we need sustainable production, working with nature, not against it. Processing includes fermentation, oxidation, and drying. We don't just work with suppliers, we work with partners. After all these experiences, it's time to relax and enjoy the Caribbean beauty of Colombia. Reflect on what you've learned, strengthen new friendships, and get ready to elevate your coffee knowledge back home to grow your business. Join our bootcamp in 2025. Come to the origin and understand coffee. Next dates February and November 2025.